Oh my gosh. Kuya, I think I really look beautiful. Oh, ang puso ko nagtutugtog.
No. Cocky!
Ang glamorous ng feeling. Nagiging proud yung nanay at tatay ko sa akin. Kahit anong lalim ng pangarap ko sa buhay, yung dulo po talaga is gusto ko lang maging masaya po yung magulang ko. I'm still so happy kasi mafe-feel mo po talaga, kuya, kung anong gusto niya sabihin just from his hands. Kasi parang sinasabi niya, kuya, na kaya mo yan. Na to, dito ko po talaga na-realize kung gaano ko po sila kamahal. Kaya kanina, ang saya-saya ko po. Kasi kahit nawakan ko lang yung kamay niya, masaya na po ako. Kahit anong hirap dito po sa loob ng bahay, kakayanin ko. Kasi alam kong ito yung magiging proud sila sa akin, kaya gagawin ko po. Sila po talaga yung nagpapalakas ng loob ko. So I wanna hear words of encouragement. And I love you ni Mama and ni Papa. Kasi miss Mommy, so Daddy. I miss you so much. And I hope you're proud of me. Sobrang ginagawa ko yung best ko dito. Kasi alam ko na magiging masaya kayo if I become stronger. Mommy, Daddy, I love you so much. Gusto ko sabihin sa inyo araw-araw ito kasi you've given me so much in my life. Kuya, I think I'm doing something wrong. Kasi when I came here to PBB, parang hindi ko pinapakita yung totoong ako. Kasi kuya, with my friends talaga, sobrang para akong kapatid. But here, I don't show it. Kasi natatakot ako na baka if I become too nice to them, baka mamaya they will take advantage of me.
Bakit mo naman iniisip na iti-take advantage ka nila?
That's what has happened before. Kung mabait ako sa kanila, they will think na it's okay to hurt you because you're nice. Kaya I build up walls.
Kung ang totoong ikaw ay mabait, edi yun ang ipakita mo dahil walang masama sa pagiging mabait. Totoo that there will be people who will take advantage. But don't generalize. Siguro nangyari na ito sa iyo sa labas ng aking bahay, but give your housemates a chance. I would like you to have fun inside my house. At hindi mangyayari yung kisses kung palagi kang nag-iisip ng kung ano ang opinion sa'yo ng iba.
Thanks, kuya. Paano ako? Akala ko ba? Akala ko ako. Ang sakit. Kasi ang sakit kasi lagi na lang hindi ako yung pinipili. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mali sa akin. Kasi sabi na lang ako ganito. Hindi ko alam kung ano mali sa akin. Ang sakit-sakit na gusto ko talaga mag-ask ng forgiveness. Kailangan ko mag-sorry sa'yo. Ayoko na. As in, masakit sa akin, pero mas masakit yung ginagawa ko na nagde-drift away na ako sa'yo dahil lang doon. Kaya gusto ko talaga mag-sorry kasi umiiwas na ako sa'yo dahil lang dun. And pinipilit ko na alisin na yun pero kasi nasasaktan talaga ako. Walang mali sa'yo. Kaya ako umiiwas sa'yo kasi yung feel ko na medyo na-insecure ako sa sarili ko. Kaya sorry. Hindi ko talaga sinasadya. Nagsisisi na ako and ayoko na ganito tayo. Kasi ang hirap. Kaya sorry. Sorry. As in...
I forgive you na. As in, dati pa lang.
Galit ka ba sa akin dati?
Siyempre, nasaktan talaga ako. Naging sensitive ako. Kasi yun. Kasi nakikita ko masaya ka pag sama mo siya.
Yeah, it was not easy. It was very hard.
It's alright. Because that was your job. It's alright. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine, okay? For me, at least, like, I'm alright with it. Like, I was expecting questions worse than that. Really. In my mind, when... Because we knew before you did. Like, all the boys we found out earlier that day. And that's why, at one point, when I came out, I was just sitting in the corner, because we had to think of questions as well. So I was expecting worse. Like...
But you're okay.
Yeah, I'm okay with it. I was expecting worse than those questions. Like, I was expecting questions like that, but I was expecting worse too. So, don't worry, it's alright. It's fine. Hey, don't be upset. It's alright. Trust me.
Hey, I want to say thank you.
Kaya pa! Wait,
Let's go, kisses, let's go.
kaya pa!
You can do this. We've done harder things than this.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2.
Up, guys, come on.
Up! Nahihilo ka, kisses. Inom ka ng tubig. Oh, alalayan nyo.
I need
Bye-bye,
to go
kisses.
po.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hindi yun.
Kinalayan niya labas.
Hindi yun.
Bye-bye. Kisses.
Hindi yun. Pray
Yeah.
and believe. Pray lang.
Hawak ka ng ano, lawak. Hawak, hawak. Hawak, hawak, hawak. Ha! Ha! Sige, lapit. Mabigat to, mabigat. Hindi yan! Hindi yan, hindi yan. Yung ano, yun. Sige, sige. Yan o, yan o. Yan o, yung... Yan, yan. Hindi yan, yung... Ano, yung upuan. Upuan! Mabigat! Hindi, mabigat! Yung upuan, huwag ka matakot. Kaya natin. Hawakan mo! Hindi yan! Yan, yan! Alisin mo na yan! Alisin mo! Sige! Hindi, alisin mo yung jacket! Sige, lapit ka. Sige, sige.
Para saan yan, kisses?
Panglaban, kuya.
Paano yung kagalaban?
Mabigat na upuan. 1, 2, 3!